a landmark case, Republic versus Sereno, Magandang Araw MGA Kapamilya. Today we delve into a legal battle that shook the very foundations of our judicial system, the case of Republic versus Sereno. This landmark case, a true rollercoaster of legal arguments and political intrigue, captivated the nation. It tested the limits of power, challenged the interpretation of our Constitution, and ultimately redefined the way we perceive accountability in public office. This wasn't just about laws and technicalities, it was about trust, integrity, and the delicate balance of power in a democracy. It was about ensuring that those who sit in the highest echelons of power are held to the highest standards of conduct and accountability. This case, MGA Kapamilya, was a stark reminder that the pursuit of justice is a journey, not a destination. It's a journey that demands vigilance, courage, and an unwavering commitment to the rule of law. The seeds of contention, what transpired. Our story begins with Maria Lourdes Sereno, the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of the Philippines. Appointed in 2012, her tenure was met with both praise and controversy. Fast forward to 2018, and a quo warranto petition filed by Solicitor General Jose Calida landed on the Supreme Court's doorstep. The petition, a legal maneuver rarely deployed against a sitting Chief Justice, alleged that Sereno's appointment was plagued by irregularities, rendering her unfit to hold office.
The crux of the argument? Sereno, according to the petition, failed to fully disclose her statement of assets, liabilities, and net worth, or SALN, a mandatory requirement for all public officials. This omission, I argued, cast a shadow of doubt over her integrity and cast a long shadow over her qualifications to lead the judiciary.
The nation watched with bated breath. The very legitimacy of the Chief Justice's position, a cornerstone of our justice system, was being challenged. The stakes couldn't be higher. The heart of the matter: jurisdiction, timeliness, and qualifications. This legal drama, MGA Kapamilya, wasn't just about Sereno's alleged shortcomings. The case ignited a firestorm of debate about three fundamental legal principles: jurisdiction, timeliness, and qualifications. Firstly, the issue of jurisdiction took center stage. Was the quo warranto, a legal tool typically reserved for lower courts, even permissible in a case involving the removal of a Chief Justice? The Constitution, after all, outlines a specific process for impeachment. Could this process be bypassed?
Secondly, the timeliness of the petition was questioned. Could the quo warranto be filed years after the alleged offense occurred, or was there a statute of limitations? This became a point of contention, with legal experts offering differing interpretations.
And finally, the case boiled down to the very definition of qualifications for public office. Did Sereno's alleged failure to fully disclose her SALN truly render her unfit to serve? This question, intertwined with the principles of transparency and accountability, lay at the heart of the matter. Section 4, the gavel falls, the Supreme Court's decision. In a historic decision that reverberated throughout the nation, the Supreme Court, by a vote of 8-6, ruled in favor of the Republic.
The court declared Sereno's appointment as Chief Justice null and void, effectively removing her from office. The majority opinion held that the quo warranto was a valid and appropriate remedy in this case. They argued that the Constitution, while outlining the impeachment process, did not preclude other legal avenues for addressing the qualifications of a Chief Justice. The court also found that the petition was filed within a reasonable time frame. They argued that the alleged offense, the incomplete SALNs, constituted a continuing violation, thereby justifying the petition's timeliness. The court's message was clear: transparency and accountability are non-negotiable, especially for those entrusted with upholding the law.
Section 5, Quo Warranto, Transparency and Qualifications, Pillars of Justice. The Republic versus Sereno case wasn't just about one individual or one particular set of circumstances. It was a powerful reminder of the enduring principles that underpin our justice system.
The case brought the rarely used writ of quo warranto into the spotlight. This legal tool, designed to challenge the right of a person to hold a public office, is a testament to the principle that public office is a trust, not a right. The case underscored the paramount importance of transparency in public office. The requirement for public officials to disclose their SALNs is not a mere formality. It is a cornerstone of accountability, designed to prevent conflicts of interest and ensure that those in power are serving the people, not themselves. Lastly, the case served as a stark reminder that qualifications for public office matter. These qualifications, enshrined in our Constitution, are not mere suggestions but safeguards designed to ensure that those entrusted with power possess the necessary integrity, competence, and commitment to serve the nation.
Section 6. A defining moment, the case's enduring legacy, the impact of the Republic versus Sereno case, MGA Capamilia, continues to resonate throughout our legal system and beyond. The case sparked a nationwide debate about judicial independence, the limits of executive power, and the very meaning of accountability in a democracy.
The case also highlighted the critical role of the citizenry in holding our leaders accountable. The public scrutiny, the passionate debates, the calls for transparency, these were all testaments to the vibrancy of our democracy. The legacy of the case is not without its complexities. While some lauded the decision as a victory for accountability, others criticized it as a dangerous precedent, potentially undermining the independence of the judiciary. One thing is certain: the Republic versus Sereno case will continue to be studied, debated, and analyzed for years to come. It serves as a stark reminder that the pursuit of justice is an ongoing journey, requiring constant vigilance and a commitment to upholding the rule of law. It's a reminder that our democracy thrives on transparency, accountability, and an unwavering belief in the power of our institutions to deliver justice for all.